Namo Namaha. I welcome all of you in our new class to learn LWC, and I am Raghuveer Singh Rawat, and I'm teaching you LWC as a Salesforce Guruji. So let's get started. The first thing is we have to do the installation kind of thing. So first we'll do with that thing. So this is our first class, and we will having other class also. Uh, so Today we are going to install LWC. So to install LWC, we need to install these components. Only then we will access LWC components. Okay. So our first task is to download and install VS Code. So what I am doing, I'm just searching here Visual Studio Code or VS Code download. Okay, and here you need to, because I am using Windows, so that's why I'm going with this one. If you are using other operating system, then go with them. Okay, so let's open this one because it's completed. So I accept all the agreements. Next, next, create a desktop icon. I need that one. Install. Okay. Great. It's completed in just few seconds. Now let's open this one. And one more thing that we need to download and install Salesforce CLI. After this one, Salesforce CLI. We just need to download Salesforce CLI, download, install. You just need to search this one on Google directly. You will get this link. Okay, so because I am using Windows 64, so that's why I'm downloading this one. VS Code is also downloaded. So VS Code is just a text editor, and it's having a lot of tools, extensions that we can use in our development part. So it's not just for like Salesforce or LWC, it's for each and everything. If we are doing in code, so that's really helpful for us. And don't make any identity with this one, if I am doing code in LWC, it means like I have to use this VS Code. No, it's not required. Or this is not LWC, this is like VS Code, it's just a text editor. Okay, so this kind of thing you need to like make sure, because whenever we do our first learning, that time we like stuck, or we assume this kind of things. Okay, so Salesforce CLI is also downloading. Great. It's ready. Let's open this one and install. So Salesforce CLI is just we can say small app that is having a list of full commands that we can run. So what will happen is this Salesforce CLI will be installed in our this system, and then all the commands will be used in this uh, our VS code. Okay, so that way it will be working. So this is almost done. So after this one, we need to install Salesforce CLI pack extension. So we need to click on this last icon, and here we need to search Salesforce extension pack. It will be there. So this Salesforce extension pack will contains these different extensions: Salesforce CLI integration, Apex, Visual Force, Aura Component, Apex Interactive Debugger, and Lighting components. All these. So we need to install this one. It's completed. So now we can close this window also. But we need to make sure that the Salesforce CLI is installed correctly. That's why what I'm doing, I'm going to my PC and properties, and here I clicked on advanced system setting, and then environment variables. Here I need to check path is set it correctly or not. So let's check in the user. Salesforce CLI is there, as we can see, the last one. And if we go here in the system, then it's not there. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting a semicolon after all this path and pasting this. This will, you also will have the same kind of thing. C/program files Salesforce CLI slash bin. I need to click on OK. And if you want to like get it, if it's not there, then you can go to the C drive, and here program files and Salesforce CLI will be here. You need to click on this one, then this one, then directly you can copy this one and put it there. Installing, it will take some time. So, and one more thing, after installation done, you need to reload. Okay, only then you can you will be able to access all these things. So I'm going to pause, and then we will continue after the this installation completed. Okay, so our installation is done, and now as you can see, it's installed. A lot of packages are installed here, not a lot of extensions. Now just press Ctrl Shift and P, and here you need to select, or you need to search for this SFDX create project. Okay, and you need to click on this one. Then you need to select standard. You need to here give the project name. So I am giving LWC learning. And then you need to press enter. I am doing this one on desktop directly. Okay, so our project is created. And you need to wait for some time because there are some uh, items that will be loaded because the extension takes some time to load them. And you can do one thing. Meanwhile they are loading, you can again press Ctrl Shift plus P. So this will be the structure of our complete components. As you can see, there are some of the things that I think you are already familiar with them. Aura, and there will be classes in this one. Okay, and LWC will be here in this folder. Okay, so if you press Ctrl Shift P again, you will be here, and now you need to search for the, or it's loaded. So you can directly click on this no default org set, directly this one. Okay, then it will open a simple model box here, but let's wait for that to open. Again I click on this one, but it's not loading. Control Shift P again. So actually we need to authorize org. Okay, this one, like this one, when you click on this one, no default org set, this kind of model box will be there. You need to select the first one, authorize and org. Okay, unsupported Java isn't detected. No issue from this one. You need to go with this one, project default, or sorry, you can go with the production also. Now here we need to give our VS code org name. So we can give anything, but right now I am giving uh, and I press enter after that one. And actually here we need to authorize our Salesforce org. So that's the main part of this class. And the whole setup that we did, this is called Salesforce DX. So previously it was having a lot of steps, a lot of configuration, and then when we did 3 years 2 years back, that time it was like really challenging job. But right now, as you can see, we just completed this one in 3 steps. and that's easy also. And there is a lot of stuff available about this one online, so that's really helpful also. So it will take some time. I'm just waiting for it. Let's see. Okay, it's asking me where I want to open. Definitely I will open with Google Chrome. Okay, it's here. When you click on this one, it will open our default browser like this, but I need to give my one, so I'm selecting the this one. These are my credential. You need to give the username and the password. This is my main day work, so that's why I'm using this one. I will show a lot of things from this one also. So if you are doing first time, then pop-up permission like configuration thing will be there. You need to click on allow, but it's already there. That's why like it's not asking to me. So definitely there will be a model box when you will do this one, so that time you need to take care for that one. uh Now you can see this new thing here, Salesforce kind of icon, and it's having all the metadata that we have in our org. We don't need to worry about that one, but I'm just showing this one, so like in future you can use this thing, and it will only come once your org is there. And whole this setup is like one time configurable, so we just need to do one time. After that we don't need to worry about this one. Apex classes are there. So what are the Apex classes are available in our org? We can download them here in our local system, and then we can do our. So like we can if we click on this one, then it will download all the classes. But if I click on this one, then definitely it will download only this one. So right now what we need to do, so we can do one thing. We need to go into this LWC folder, and here we need to click on here we need to click right click, and we need to click on this create lightning web component, or we can like press from there also, like control shift P, and then we can select create lightning component. Here we need to give the file name. So I'm giving my first LWC component. Where I want to give, definitely this one, the default one. So just now we retrieve this class also, so this class will be available in this one. This is not related to our like right now whatever we are doing, but it's just for the reference purpose, so you can use. Okay, my class is here. So right now I'm closing this one. I don't need, and this is giving asking for the permission. I'm allowed, no issue. Now, as you can see in my first LWC component, we have three components here. This is for HTML, and this is for JS. This is for the this is XML file, so it will use it as a configurational file. And we can add one more file for CSS if you want to use, so that one also we can use. Right now I'm just giving in H1, as we use in each and every language, hello world. Here also I am doing. So I just click on save, and I'm not making any changes in this one. Okay, now we need to do some configuration thing here. We need to actually, if we want to put this one on any kind of page, then we need to give some kind of configuration thing here. For the first thing is, this is exposed should be true. Okay, and then we need to make some other changes also. So I'm also saving this one. I need to do some more changes. Okay, so I will give you this link also, where you can know about like how to configure this one, because like what this one is doing is, this will like make available our component to put on record page, home page, or app page. So what I am doing right now is, we need to copy this one. Okay, and we need to put it there. So I'm just copying this one. I just put it here, paste it here, and I only need for home page. That's why I'm using for home page only. This is just for the master label, so we can give my first LWC component, and this I will go with this one. No issue. Okay. Description is, this is a demo component. Okay, targets, and targets you need to define this lightning home page. This is the main thing, and I just save it, control S, but you can save. Then you need to deploy it, so you need to right click and then just click on this, deploy this to source org. And here is my org, so I'm going to this. And if you are able to see here, we are having target configs also, that we can give like a configuration thing for this lightning record page, lightning app page, or home page. If you want to give for the multiple, then we can give this comma separate value, and what are the object it should be available, and what will be the property that we can take from there. So this will be available. I will explain you about these one later, but right now what I need to do, I need to go in this lightning, and it's processing. So let's wait to complete this one. And what I'm doing is, you will be definitely in lightning mode. Okay, so as you can say, this is completed, deployment is completed. So now we need to open any home page. So I just click on the sales app. You will be like, maybe you can be there or not, but let's search for the other ones also. Service. It's having this one, but we need a home page because we configure for that one only. So that's why home page only. Otherwise, we have to go for some kind of okay. Let's search then. Home. Mm, no, it's not showing. So we need to go with some other ones. I think if we go with the okay, so let's make some changes in our LWC component to so we can put it there also. So what's the main issue, I will show you that one also, why we are doing configuration in this one. Okay, So I am on one of the opportunity here, and in these classes I am assuming that you are already aware about admin part. Okay, so that's why I'm doing. So you need to click on this setting here and then edit page. Okay, so you will be in this page. You need to click on this model, close this model, and then if you find here, these are the standard components. So here in this custom, our component should be here, but right now I am not able to find this one. My first lightning component is not here because we have not configured that one for this record page, because we are on this record page. So what we need to do is we need to put it like this, copy this one, and we need to copy these one also. So we don't have this property. I'm redoing, sorry. I need to remove this account also and this property also. Then just close this objects tag, again this configuration, and then close this. Okay, it's already closed, then it's okay. Okay, I just click on saved. Again we need to deploy this one, so deploy this one to source. LWC is very simple. You just need to like learn about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and like these one are like really fine and like easy also. So you can learn them, and then you can start. And what I am believing is you don't know anything about HTML, JS, or CSS. So I will teach you all the things here only, and then we'll go. There are some things that are making issue is uh, okay, this tag was not closed, so that's why what we need to do it, we need to close this one also, and you can see the errors here. If anything is missing, if you are missing anything, then you need to do the changes again. We need to deploy it. Okay, yes. So like in my all the classes, I will assume that you even don't know anything about development part. You just done your admin part, because like without admin part you can't do development. So you have to complete that one, at least basic of that one, only then you will able to continue these classes. And like in previous approach, first we use uh, we learn about VF pages, then we go for Aura component, then we come to this LWC. But right now the approach that I am following is I am directly going with this LWC, and in future this will like this approach will be used. So that's why I'm using from right now, and this is also like completed. So let's go here. Okay, again let's refresh this one. The component should be here, and then we'll put and check it should working. Okay, so let's go to this one, and here my first lightning LWC component is here. So we need to uh, drag and drop this one wherever we want. Actually, I'm doing here. I'm putting this one here. Okay, hello world is coming. I need to save it, and then let's go back. It will ask if you are doing first time activation, so you need to do activation for the like default org. For full org it should be there. Okay, hello world is here. So in this class we learn about how to do installation for Salesforce DX, and how to create our first LWC component, and it's here, it's working. So we will meet in our next class. We created our first component. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be with us in this journey. Definitely we will achieve many great things. Thank you so much.